So, good morning, students. Now we are continuing the chapter 11, The Lost Pumpkin 2. Okay, now as they were just running behind after the boys, okay, that were running in a cycle rickshaw with the pumpkin. So, they are just running. Soumya and Rohit is on bicycle, just see. And now they are running. Then what happened? Then, just see, they are running after them. And when he came near the cycle rickshaw, just Soumya caught hold of the handlebar and shouted. He just hold the handlebar of the rickshaw, cycle rickshaw, and just what happened? Just see, and she shouted, "Stop! Stop!" Just see what she shouted. Stop, stop, or I will call the police. Okay, then what happened? This frightened the rickshaw puller. So, what do you mean by rickshaw puller? Who pulls the rickshaw is called a rickshaw puller. Okay, this frightened the rickshaw puller. Frightened means, and he became fearful. Okay, and we are very shocked and in fear. He was in fear, and the rickshaw puller who stopped, but the boys ran away. Rickshaw puller stopped the cycle rickshaw, but the boys ran away from there. Just see, and when they ran away from there, and the pumpkin is just falling down, but Rohit quickly caught the pumpkin just as it was about to fall to the ground. Then, leaving the bicycle, he got onto the rickshaw. Then, after that, the boys ran away from the cycle rickshaw, and Rohit just sit on the rickshaw with the pumpkin, and Soumya is coming on the bicycle. Followed by Soumya on the bicycle, they returned home. Now they reached home. Dadaji was very happy to see his pumpkin, and when Dadaji saw his pumpkin, he was very happy that from where they found out my pumpkin. Dadaji was very happy to see his pumpkin. They were just in time for the vegetable contest. As I have told you, na, Dadaji had been winning the vegetable contest for the last 15 years. Now the vegetable contest was also there, and they were in time for the vegetable contest, where of course their pumpkin won the first prize. And of course, this time also Dadaji won the first prize. On the way back home, the children told their grandfather the whole story. And when they are coming back, Dadaji told the whole story to them. They told whole story to Dadaji. Now just see what happened then. Now what happened? That evening they had a visitor. Then who visited their house? You can see who is this? He is Mathu Halwai. He came to their house. And what he is saying, please forgive me, sir. He is feeling sorry. Please forgive me. He said, bowing his head before Dadaji, that please, I'm feeling sorry. Please forgive me. Such a beautiful pumpkin you see, sir. My daughter is getting married. I wanted it to make the best halwa for the wedding feast. So what he is saying that why he had taken that pumpkin, but he is saying that this is such a beautiful pumpkin. You see, my daughter is getting married. That daughter marriage is there. That's why he had taken that pumpkin for the wedding feast. What do you mean by feast? Means for the wedding party, he has taken that pumpkin. And if you had only asked me, just see what Dadaji is saying now. Dadaji is saying, if you had only asked me, would have given it to you. But Dadaji is saying that if you ask me that you want that pumpkin for the wedding party, then I will give you. If you just say one time, if you say to me, then I will give it to you. Then Dadaji told very politely to him. Then he smiled. Then Dadaji smiled. You can still have it, but on one condition. Now Dadaji is in good mood. Now he's smiling and is saying, you can still have this for your wedding feast, for the wedding party of your daughter, but one condition should be there. Now they are not worried that what now Dadaji will say, what condition he will now say. As the children held their breath, he said, held their breath means they are waiting, children waiting, uh, they are very curious to know about that now what Dadaji will say now. The halwa should be as nice as my pumpkin. Now, what Dadaji is saying, that as my pumpkin is the best pumpkin, then halwa should also be as nice as my pumpkin. So Dadaji is saying, if you just tell me that I want this pumpkin for my wedding party of my daughter, then I will give it to you. Why you have not asked me? Okay. Then at the end also, he put one condition that if you want this pumpkin, the halwa should be as nice as my pumpkin. Now, Matru Halwai had taken that pumpkin for the wedding feast of his daughter. Okay. So read this chapter also. Okay. Then we will do the question answer and back exercises. Okay. Thank you, students.